Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all well. Alright guys, so we do have another new spoiler for the Yas September box. So first we'll go over the ones we already know about and then I'll show you the new one. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do, something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video, which was the No Make No Life September full spoilers video. So the first comment, congratulations, Dana Williams. Dana says, thank you so much for your videos. Well, Dana, thank you so much for watching and taking the time to comment on my videos. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. I'm so glad to have you a part of my family. And I love you so much. Now, guys, if y'all want to get a shout out, just leave a comment on this video. You get 1 out of 2 chances. You can either get picked for a comment or you can set your bell and be the first comment. Now stay tuned till the end of the video when I read the one that I picked from that video. Alright guys, now let's get started. First of all, you know their amazing theme for September is Yes Oh Yes. Now let's get into the spoilers. These are the ones we already know about. First is the Lancome waterproof eyeliner. It looks like a gel pencil with a smudger on the other end. Nice pencils, I like them. And then next is the IB Beauty Poolside palette. And then next is the Z Skin Age Defying Extreme Moisturizer. And then next is an item we don't know of yet, but we know it's going to be an Urban Decay item. And of course, as soon as they reveal that, I will update you guys. Now, the new spoiler is the Dirty Little Secrets Lip Gloss. Now, I don't know if this is going to come in different variant shades or what. But of course, anything new that's revealed, I will update you. So anyways, guys, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go check him out. And I do have a code for you to use at SelfTaught Beauty. That's in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box. Now, sometimes for some reason that code don't work for some people. So if it does, there is a default code down in my description box if that does happen to you. Now let's read the comment from my last video that I picked. Congratulations, Darla Gray. Darla says, lots of makeup for a no-make box. Laugh out loud. Glad I signed back up though, and I'm getting this one. Thanks for sharing. Love you. Darla, I love you too. Now, I know I say this with just about everybody, but Darla has been a dear friend of mine for a very long time. Darla, I'm so glad that I got one of your comments up here, and I'm so happy to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much. Again, guys, if y'all want to get a shout out, remember, leave a comment on this video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. Now, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then what I want you to do is rate the video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't even pay that thumbs down button. No attention. It's broke. It's been like that for a while. And YouTube don't want to fix it. So let's ignore that one. Just hit the thumbs up. It just really shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Go ahead and make sure your bell is turned on. That is your notification bell. That will show you every video I upload. Every single one of them. You won't miss no spoilers. And I have to apologize on behalf of YouTube for making you do millions of things before you can say, hey, I like this channel and want to be part of it. So I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.